the Brother PS200 fully manual machine. My last machine was electronic and I did not like it. So I'm going to go back to manual. Comes with an extra board to extend your sewing area, which is very nice. It comes with Quilting Foot, and it comes with, oh goody, I just bought one of these. It comes with a Quilting Foot. Now I have two because I bought one from my last machine. And that is all. It comes with one bobbin. Oh, let's see. Here are the extra pieces. It also comes with, let's see if I focus. Also comes with your buttonhole foot, very helpful. Your twin needles, an extra spool, about 3 extra bobbins, your bobbin caps, some extra needles to use, another foot, and your tool to open the bobbin casing. It doesn't come with the cleaning brush, unfortunately. But we have 3 extra feet in here. All right. So we'll see how this machine works.
All right, before we start looking at how the machine runs, let's just look at the machine as a whole. So as you can see, it has this nice cute design that looks like a quilting pattern. These are all the stitches, I believe about 55 built-in stitches. And this, like most machines, this is where you pull it off to add attachments. You have the feed dog up and down here. It's also where you will attach the extended table. I found it a little stiff, but that's good because on some machines I found it to be very loose and it would just pop off. Here it is with the extension table on it. Makes it nice for longer things you're quilting. I would prefer drop-in table, but that's a dream one day. And it also has this ruler on it, which is very helpful. So yeah, so this is the machine, and let's try it out. So this is one of the things I found a little annoying with the machine. About 80% of the time when I'm sewing and I take my foot off the pedal, the needle is up, which I don't particularly like. On other machines, often the needle will finish down. And even when someone else uses the machine, the same thing happens. So it's not the way I use the foot. The needle just ends up. So you have to remember to rotate it down before continuing. Overall, though, this is a very good machine. It stitches about 800 to 1,000 stitches a minute, which is great. It does vibrate, I would say a little bit more than electronical machines, but that's normal for mechanical. It has a threader, which is great, and it's an easy threader to use, so you don't have to battle to put the thread through the needle eye. I love that it can go through thick fabrics. Something I find with some of the newer machines is they struggle to go through many layers of fabric or just thick fabrics in general. This one, 6 layers of fabric with some non-braided elastic, goes through it like butter. It's very good. I would say this machine is great for beginners to intermediate users. I personally am using it for my business and I've had no issues with it. Haven't needed to get it serviced too often. I can myself open up most of it to get most of the fibers out, which is great. Overall, it's a great machine. Well, if you guys liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye!